International Fastener Show, China 2026. I'm not a pro, but we can check them together. 得力 Fastener. What about that one? So we can see their products briefly. A fastener is pretty important. It's one kind of a hardware, I think. Int'l from Cixi. What are their products here? It's pretty professional. Look at them. Okay, if you have interest of them, it's just a pause, and you can see the name of the company. Most of them are in pinyin. You can search for them on the internet. What about that one? The logo is quite big. Yeah, it's absolutely professional. I can't name them professionally. If you are a pro, I think you know their names. Yeah, they've got a lot of different stuff. Look at them. They're quite small, but yeah, it's pretty nice. They've got a lot of different stuff. Look at the logo, look at the name. If you have been looking for this kind of products, you can come to this show. It's pretty professional. Absolutely great. Look at their products here. Very small, but very nice. Yeah, they've got a lot of different varieties of products. What about them? Pretty busy. This company has a lot of staff. It's a huge one. How about this one? Look at the name of the company.
Ensuring timely delivery and helping clients optimize procurement processes and inventory management. Our production workshops are equipped with over 300 advanced reading devices.
It's pretty nice. Mostly just put into a plate. It's just like food.
What can I do for you?
I'm making a video.
Making a video.
Yeah.
So you are finding fastener, right?
No, I'm just making a video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, that guy's looking for some buyers. He thought I was a buyer, but I'm not a buyer. I just make videos. Yeah, superb. Very nice. Yeah, if you are doing this kind of business, this video is just like a piece of a diamond, I think. If you're not a pro, maybe it's just a piece of junk, I know. But anyway, if you have been here, I mean, this video is pretty long. You are here right now, which means you are a pro. I don't think a non-professional guy would watch this video for more than 3 minutes, even 2 minutes. I don't think so. So you are a pro, just give me a like. Why don't you give me a like? Amazing. Simply stellar. Oh, there's a boy. Pretty impressive. What about this one? How about this one? I've got a lot of different stuff. I'm not a pro, I just want to show you. If you're a pro, you know what I'm doing right now. Because if you're interested in it, you just can search for it, and you even can log on this trade fair's webpage, and there's a lot of information. I mean, the exhibitor's name and a lot of different products they've been showing here. It's pretty nice. Absolutely worthy. Yeah, it's huge. This is the one hall. Actually, there are 3 halls like these, like this. I just want to concentrate on the products. And this might pique your interest and curiosity if you are in this business line. Okay, they're in the package. They didn't open it. Look at them. Just unbelievable. There's a mascot. Yeah, I'm going to make a circle, and it's a long journey, more than 10 minutes. Hopefully you're enjoying this video. There's a robot. Let's go and approach it. Is that a robot? Oh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video. If you're interested in it, if you're into it, please give me a like. Thank you very much for your help. And I haven't got any perks or bonuses from YouTube, so which means I'm a volunteer. You can imagine I've dedicated so much and nothing has been gotten financially, but I'm still doing it. My spirit might be supported, encouraged by you. Just simply give me a like. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.